My name is Đức Wing, and I'm a professional YouTuber. Welcome to my part 2 of my Smart 15 level magnetic resistance elliptical with long strike user manual. On your marks, get set, go! Let's continue making a chance. This is part 2. We'll move to step 4. Remove 4 carriage posts, 4 arc washers, number 43 and 49, and nuts number 13 from the left and right. Handlebars number 6L and number 6L using spanner number 1 to attach the left and right handlebars. Number 6L and 6L onto the left and right swing bars. Number 7L and number 7L with 4 carriage posts. Number 44 4 arc washers. Number 43 and 49 that will just remove time secure with spanner number 102. Remove 4 Allen bolts. Number 104 and number 4 spring washers. Use number 3 for the handlebar post. Number 4 using Allen wrench number 103. Direct the 2 wires on your arm wrench number 5 from the hole on the front side of the handlebar post number 4 and pull it out from the top of the handlebar post number 4 or attach the armrest number 5 to the handlebars. Wrench number 4 and place securely with the 4 Allen bolts number 104 and 4 spring washers number 18 that were just removed using Allen wrench number 3 either left or right handlebars number 6L. Number 6L root rubs against the armrest number 5 during the workout. Please recheck your left and right handlebars number 6L number 6 are assembled to left and right swing bars number 7 L and number 7 are going to label marked with L or R. Let's continue making it in the right. Let's keep making. Let's continue making a chance. Time to continue. Going to make a chance.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Let's keep making it up. Continue going. Let's keep making a chance. Let's continue making it out. Let's continue going. Let's continue making it in. Let's continue working. Let's continue making it out. Continue making a chance. Let's go all the way. Continue making it in. Continue going. Let's continue making it out. Keep making it in. Keep making it out. Let's go all the way. Continue going. Continue working. Let's continue making it out. Let's continue making. Let's continue making it in. Let's continue making it out. Let's go make it out. Continue making it out. Let's continue going. Making it out.
Look in here. Here.
Continue working.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Looking around. Let's build. Continue working. Let's keep going. Continue.
Chiếc xe đạp phải không? Đạp bằng sức còn kia chạy bằng điện nặng quá điện.
Continue making it in.
Ủa gắp xong rồi mấy khiên vô à? Con này hép.
Continue. Let's go. Keep going. Keep making it in.
Ồ, lúc này nó chỉnh.
Này giống như để tay lên cái đòn
Continue working.
You are currently being recorded.
cái này để lên hay để xuống
Ừ.
Let's keep working. Step 5. Remove 4 screws from the left and saving bar corners. There's numbers. There's 42. A and B and right swing bar covers A and B number 64. A and B recycling using spanner number 102. Secure left swing bar covers A and B number 42 A B to the left swing bar number 7 now with 2 screws number 41. Now just remove using spanner 102 spanner. Secure right swing bar cover C A B number 64A. Need the right swing bar number 7R with 2 screws. Number 41 that was just removed using spanner number 102. Remove 8 screws. Number 35 left and right pedal supports number 8 out and number 8 out using spanner number 102. Attach 2 pairs of left and right support with number 60 out and 36 out to the 2 joints of the left and right swing bars. Number 7 out and number 7 out and left and right pedal support number 8 out and 8 out respectively using with 8 screws. Number 35 that were just removed using spanner number 102. Remove 4 screws number 27 on the left and right connecting joints number 28 out and number 23 are using spanner number 102. Attach 2 pairs of connecting joint covers A and B number 28 A and B to the left and right connecting joints number 23 out 23 R respectively with 4 screws number 27 and just remove using spanner number 102. Let's keep going. Let's continue. Let's continue going.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Let's continue going. Continue making a chant. Let's go all the way. Continue making it in. Time over spent. Continue going. Continue making it in. Continue building the remaining in parts until it's finished. After that, cut the hair. Here. Keep going. Step 6. Remove 4 screws from the meter. Number 47 unit span. Number 102. Connect the sensor extend wire. Number 59 with the sensor meter wire. Number 47 connect 2 push wires. Number 62. The meter wire B and C. Number 47B and number 47C. Attach the meter. Number 104 to the bracket of the handlebar post. With number 4 using 4 screws. Number 52. That will just remove, tighten, and secure with spanner. Number 102 to avoid damaging the wires, please push them to the handlebar post. Number 44 secure the meter. Number 47 to the bracket. Remove 2 screws. Number 35 from the protective guard AB using spanner. Number 102 attach the protective guard AB. Number 5 we want AB to handlebar post. Number 4 with 2 screws using number 35 that will just remove. Using spanner number 102. Remove 2 screws. Number 35 and 2 fly washers. Number 104. Number 99 for handlebar. Number 4 using spanner number 122. Attach the bar or hand number 49 to the handlebar post. Number 4 and 2 screws. Number 35 and 2 fly washers. Number 99 that will just remove using spanner number 122. The assembly is complete.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Let's get someone to look for the finish. Let's keep going. Let's continue. The time.
Đã lại uống nước ấy. Vô này uống nước không?
Yes.
Vô mới uống nước.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Let's keep going.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Loki.
Okay. How many?
Time to continue. Let's go all the way. Let's keep going. Keep going.
Hi, you are currently being recorded.
Keep going.
Hi,
Keep
you are
going.
currently being recorded.
Continue making a chant. Let
Hi, you are currently being recorded. currently being recorded.
But so for now, bye. Like, share, and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching.